Normally, transplanting stem cells or immune cells for cell therapy requires surgical graft or injection using these giant painful needles. However, scientists recently developed a new generation of microneedles that are made out of ice. These icy microneedles are shorter than 1 mm and can deliver therapeutic cells into the skin layers, in a minimally invasive manner with no risk of infection. By putting this patch-like device on the skin, the microneedles would penetrate through the skin, detach from the patch base and then melt. The whole melting process takes only 1 to 2 minutes, as is shown in this video. The loaded cells are released into the patients as the ice needles melt. As you can see in these pictures, the skin which received injection using this device healed completely within 10 minutes, and there was zero bleeding. This innovative device can be stored for months in refrigerators, and it is also easy to transport and deploy.